In this quick video, I'll show you how you can create an Amazon wish list on mobile. So what you need to do is you need to first go ahead and download the Amazon app. So open up the App Store or the Google Play Store, and then just go ahead and search for Amazon and open it. Once you've got the app open and you've signed in, you then want to go to your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. So click on that, and then you'll see your orders, buy again, your account, and what we want, which is your lists. So go ahead and click on that. Now it will open up your lists, and you can then create a new list in the top right hand corner. Give the list a name. I'll just call it example, and then we can create that list. Now the list is created, I'll show you some settings that you might want to know about. Then I'll also show you how you can add products to this list. So right now the list is private by default. So if you go ahead and go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, you then go to manage list. You can change some settings inside of your list, including the list name. Do you want this to be private, or do you want to share this list with other people? If you want to share it, click on public. Do you want Alexa to be able to add items? You can obviously manage that. The list is for me. I am the recipient name. You can go down here and you can change the shipping address and add in your own shipping address. Or if you want to ship them somewhere else, you can enter in an address here. Once the item is purchased, do you want to keep it on the list? You can obviously check that. Don't spoil my surprises. This allows people to buy products as a gift. So once you're happy with all of these settings, you can then save them. Now let's add something to this list. So if I go ahead and just search for, I don't know, iPhone. So let's click on one of these. Let's click on this iPhone 14. So now once we're on the product, we can then scroll down. And here just below the price, you'll see add to list. So click on that. And then you can choose what list you want to add it to. So I'll choose example. Now we can go ahead and preview the list by going to the profile icon, your lists, and then example. Then if we wanted to grab a link to this, and we could go to invite in the top left hand corner, and then you can invite someone to view and edit, or just view only. So let's say I want view only. Then we can copy the link, and we've now got a link which we can go ahead and give to anyone. You can see here if I paste in the URL, it will then go to the Amazon wish list. So there you go. That's how you do it. I hope that video did help you out.